Are you struggling to find your life's true purpose? If you have multiple paths in front of you, how do you choose the right one? In today's video, we'll learn how to build a solid career with the right planning and courage. The first step is to find your dream job. Many people enter a job without knowing if they truly love it. If you don't find joy in what you do every day, achieving your dream is hard. Look for a job that aligns with your interests and skills, something that brings you happiness and inspiration. Next, work on building skills. Just knowledge isn't enough. Practical skills are key. In today's world, learning about the latest technologies or software can make you stand out. Take courses or learn new skills alongside your job to make yourself even more qualified. Remember, in a competitive world, you need to be unique. Managing time effectively is crucial for success. You need to use your time wisely. Break up your daily schedule: mornings for skill development, afternoons for study or job searching, and evenings for working on your goals. Those who use time well achieve success. Challenges will come, and many may not understand or encourage you, but your confidence is your main companion. Trust yourself, believe in your decisions. If you don't have confidence, no one else can help. So move forward with self-belief. The journey to success is hard. There will be times you'll feel like giving up. But this is when your determination matters most. Remember, no one achieves success overnight. Keep working hard with patience, and you'll eventually see results. There's no end to learning. A successful person always tries to learn more. Learn from those around you and from your mistakes. Allow yourself to grow by learning something new every day. So, that's all for today's video, where we learned how to build a successful career. Remember, success isn't just at the end, it's in every small achievement along the way. If you enjoyed this video and feel it positively impacts your career, please subscribe to our channel. Let's walk this path of dreams together. Stay with us as you build the life of your dreams. Keep learning and enjoy the journey to a successful career.